Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to cut, split, trim videos in VLC Media Player. So guys, from here, just click on view at the top and now go for advanced controls. And now just simply select where you are going to start. So let's say I'm going to start at 3 seconds over here. I'm just going to click on this red icon over here, the record, and play it. And now if I want to stop it, just simply click on this pause, and you can also do it frame by frame as well. And once you are done, just simply click on this. And now, after that guys, it will automatically redirect to your videos. So go to your start menu and open up a file explorer. And now from here, just simply go to this PC and go to videos over here. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!